Okay, here's checkpoint 25 in 5 minutes. So first I'm going to zoom in on this so you can see it. We want to know, are these two events independent? So look, we have 3/5 and we're supposed to multiply it by 1/3. Notice that those 3's will cancel out and what's left is a 1 on the top and a 5 on the bottom. So it should be 1/5, but they're saying that their intersection is 1/8. That means it is not independent. So no, because when you multiply them, it is not 1/8 where it's supposed to be. Next one. So which pairs of events describe independent events? So remember, this is when we're looking for things that are not replaced. So rolling a standard 6-sided die and having it land on a 1, and then selecting a blue block from a tub of red and blue blocks. So nothing about replacing, so we're good. Flipping a coin, that's good. Drawing a 7 from a standard deck of cards, that's good. Pulling a red sock from a drawer with 3 red socks and 5 blue socks and not replacing it. That's the big thing. If they don't replace it, look at here. I don't even need to read the next one. I see not replacing it. Those can't be it. Okay. Then they're telling us that they are independent, and we know that it's 0.4. So that together it's 0.4. So 0.5 times by what is 0.4? So we would do 0.4 divided by 0.5. And if you type that in your calculator, you would get 0.8. And then whether or not to play sports. And remember, we want the same fraction for both, for playing sports. And the same fraction has to be there. So the fraction of girls among the members that play sports is equal to the fraction among boys of the members that do not play sports. So that's how you can tell if it is independent. They'd have to be the same. They have to be the same fraction. Girls make up the same fraction of members that play sports as do not play sports. That's it. Because we have either play sports or do not play sports. Those are the two groups. And it's not boys and girls. It's sports and not sports. And the girls would have to be the same for both of them. And then Esme plans to flip a fair coin 3 times and records the results of each flip. What is the probability that the coin lands on the heads upside on all 3 flips? So that'll be 1/2 multiplied by itself 3 times. So if you can't do that in your head, it's normal. You're normal. Okay. So I think the easiest way for me to describe it is that we have 1/2 multiplied by 1/2. 2 times 2 is 4. That's the first 2. Then we have 1/4 multiplied by 1/2. 4 times 2 is 8. So the answer is 1/8. Hey, that's checkpoint 25 in much less than 5 minutes. Then there's just a discussion. I don't help with the discussions. Good luck on that discussion. It's based on these things. Remember that we're talking about the fraction being the same, if that's part of it. I don't remember exactly what the prompt is. See you in workbook 25.